Hello guys, welcome back to 24th Scale World. Today we are going to see Tata Indica Vista. What we see here is the 1:43 scale version of Tata Motors Indica Vista. This model is manufactured by Norev for Tata Motors. The Tata Indica name badge holds a huge significance in Indian automotive picture. It is supposed to be the first completely indigenous car to be built in India. The Indica Vista is the second generation of Tata Indica, but it was completely built on a new platform. The model we have here has some amazing detailing. It has been beautifully done by Norev. What we see here is rear wiper, and even the side profile of the model has been replicated perfectly. See the mesh in the front grille here? Amazing. Overall, this model has been perfectly replicated in 1:43 scale as the original one.